Behind you, there's a car.
Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
I dropped him.
The enemy took that one, but we'll get them back.
The car got me. Wait, is that the gun we start with now though? Cause I love that shit. Yeah.
I think it flip flops now.
Yeah, I think it's random.
Damn, I wish it was that all the time. I'll be getting kills.
Yeah, that's a good one.
When it's a single shot, I kind of forget sometimes, you know?
Yeah.
Dude, I just bought this fucking little thing. It's pretty sick. It's like a little astronaut, but it has a light in it, and it shoots it in the sky, the sky, you know, to the room. And then it shoots like lights, like LED lights and stars.
Check your gear and weapons. We'll be deploying shortly.
And it came with a little controller, so now like I can just come in and turn it on. Damn, I hit that
Green light. Deploying to the war zone.
Took out that vehicle.
Yeah, I got it on Mom's TikTok.
Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets to bring them back faster. Alright, mark a block point to your squad and go get after it.
Such a piece of shit for that.
Trying to open the box.
I got one, and hurt the other.
Enemies are dropping into the
Got
area.
one more.
They're all the top stairs. There's like literally no reason for it.
Just go downstairs.
It's a little crazy when it's trios like that. We got us to be right next to each other and shit.
Get ready, you're redeploying.
Alright, we'll go here. There we go. What's that?
Come on.
shit always happens, like, we'll, like, go around the map and be like, oh, finally I'm in the squad, and the second I catch you guys, I somehow get shot. What?
He dropped some pretty good guns.
You're like, it feels fine.
No, literally, I'm like, what the hell? I'm getting fucking mauled, and I'm just like the only one that's getting railed.
He only shot at you too. I was right there.
I know, it's like, what the fuck?
We got Lodi.
Literally, reminds me of that one video with that car pull. Well, that
All squad mates are in the safe zone.
We're right by the store.
You're
Where are you
losing
going?
ground. Move it.
Yeah, I'm going.
Additional contract online.
I thought I saw something moving. Oh, I need more money. Drop a little bit of money.
Gray authorizing UAV mission.
Oh, we're good too.
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
What were you driving? Pig? I'm not even driving. You're in the back seat.
Dude, I don't know why the PPSH got knocked down to 4. That's fucking lame.
Blast trap set.
We're still pretty good though.
I mean, it still works, but like, I don't know, it's kind of bummed out. I really liked it, and it took me a long time to like upgrade it and get it unlocked, and now it's number 4. Like, and then I also have the C, what is it, C?
Loadout drop headed your way.
Wait, is it a map? Oh, it's about to go in. Oh, fuck, you scared shit out of me. I was in a map, you fucking bumped it in.
Shot charge going out.
Oh yeah, we have to watch the ceiling, because they always come.
Bounty contest. New orders for you, soldier. Hunt and eliminate the opposition.
We found the coolest room, it's impenetrable. Dropped from the ceiling.
Bro, I never even looked up to see the hole in the fucking ceiling.
We're like, dang, why would they even make a room like this in the map? It's too perfect. Oh wait. That's why.
Sorry, I haven't worked hard
We'll just see like some like electrocuted body just like...
Pat, do you have an RPG on you, bro?
No.
Oh, come on, you gotta do it.
We've got 10 squads active in the field.
BSH and the AIMs.
Dude, when somebody walks in here, they're gonna get blown to fucking Kingdom Come, bro.
Hell yeah.
They're gonna get like fucking
25 are left. Stay sharp out there.
RPGs on them.
You got the fuck me daddies attached.
Yes, sir.
Angela, are you streaming right now?
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't say that.
Stupid. Alright, let's do this.
Dude,
Rock these guys.
this one couple, Owen and I were playing pool with, I mentioned I was a realtor, and then she's like, oh, my friend wants to buy a house. I'm like, oh, bet, here's my business card. And then she starts texting her friend, and then she's like, and then she looks at me, she's like, how tall are you? And I'm like, around like 6'3", 6'4".
Enemy's got a sentry online.
What kind of tattoos do you have?
Your squad made it to the
What's going
safe
on? She's
zone.
like, I'm just telling
Gas
my
is
friend what
inbound.
this realtor looks like. And then she's like, are you single? I'm like, oh, Jesus Christ. I'm like, I don't think this is a business deal at all anymore.
So did you lie about the buying house?
I don't know, they might have. I thought I saw a shadow.
No, you saw it, but it's the gondola.
Well, no, I think
Target's gone dark. Looks like someone else claimed your prize. You've got time for another bounty.
I
Get
see
it
some
done.
people over here outside. Look.
Enemy UAV
On the building.
overhead.
Found a field
Enemy
upgrade.
sentry in the AR.
I'm hit.
Oh, well, then,
Hostile airstrike incoming.
Fuck that. On that roof.
Three line spotted.
coming. They're coming.
Hostile planting spring mine.
I'm choking them. I'm choking them.
Standard procedure. You have reinforcements inbound.
Where are they? Right here. Front door.
Right behind me. Got him.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Fire sale is active. Buy station prices are adjusted. Enemy UAV is online.
Unless they got scared and ran.
Oh shit. They're not scared.
I think they're on the roof.
Remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Nice. Give me your guns, please. Sorry, those are my guns.
Resurgence is about to end.
Damn, I
Make
think we
it
got
count.
him, bro.
I think they're scared.
I don't think they're coming back.
Good. Hate those guys.
Oh, shot.
Hostile UAV in the area. Clear another target to the contract line. Squad's in the safe zone. Gas is moving.
Some of these people, leave us alone.
They just keep going. What the fuck? Okay.
They just keep going through
They're running back to their house.
Copy C4. Waypoint marked.
Fire sale's done. Prices are back to normal.
We got that C4 there, hopefully blow that up. What is
They
it?
ran right into another squad trying to run from us.
Wait, is it left bumper to do the C4?
I think you do the same button like that you throw it with, like you know, like if it was a grenade, you
Five
like click
squads
it
still
again.
operational in the AO.
Yeah.
Yeah, boys, they ran right into another squad over there.
Marking target location.
I don't want to jack one of his guns, but my gun is good. Oh wait, but I'm actually at an RPG. Cool.
Be advised, resurgence is no longer active. This is repeat.
Alright, go, we gotta get into the
Waypoint marked.
All right.
Let's do.
All right,
Go,
mate.
boys.
I'm here too.
Contract's worth more than usual, so get it done, soldier.
Let's go, Mike.
Alright, Angel, and Mike.
No, I only said Angel because he knows the room. So you just gotta follow us.
I know the room.
Enemy UAV
Of
overhead.
course I know the room. What are you talking about? That's the only room you do. Unless it's a
No,
different
no, no, it's upstairs. It's upstairs. We found a new room. Angel found it.
Oh, we found a new
It's
room.
a sick room.
The sick room.
Oh, gas mask.
All squad mates are in the safe zone.
Yeah, dude. So there's
You've
only
got
that
gas
window in the
moving
back,
in.
Side ones, and then this is like the hot spot. We just watch this.
Sending shock charge. Arming spring mine.
So we park, we camp at this back
Coordinates
corner.
marked.
We just look forward because it comes from the sides here
Marking
and
power.
the end.
Back shock charge.
So just go to this back corner over here and we're good.
All bounty targets
And
are
then anything that
destroyed.
goes on,
Hell of a
we blow
job.
up our-
Yeah, if you want post up where I post up, usually this you see where I'm at. I think it's like the safest place. Come over here. Yeah, post up right
Well, I
there.
don't-
Next time you put stuff down, put them on the
Marking
windows
cash.
so people actually run
Got an
into it.
extra valuable opportunity here. Don't miss your shot.
We're not in the circle anymore. We'll just travel last second and get into that corner and then watch house. Uh-oh. Was that you?
That was me.
Get to the safe zone. Gas is closing in.
Behind you.
You've made it to the top 10.
C4's not working.
How did he get there? Oh, he's running to the front. He's literally on the side window. He just had a good view of me. Man, what the fuck?
Where is he?
Oh,
He's
bad.
in front of you guys.
Bring mine down.
Out the window?
Yeah, he was like right on the
Three squads left in the war zone.
I
Stay
shot
alert.
them.
The enemy is no longer tracking you. You lost them.
Go.
CR
Go
top
back.
5.
Let's guess.
Mask on.
Oh, you don't. What's going on?
Look, need a med.
Oh,
The mask is on.
You're in dangerous territory. Get moving to the safe zone.
It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. You're doing good. You're alive.
Hiding.
As you should, King.
Shit. Let me fucking do this. Well, I'm not gonna do this, but it's
Ah,
gonna
you're doing good.
watch.
You know, they already did a pretty good job.
I mean,
Gas is coming. You gotta move.
yeah, but
You should just go to that little fucking shed. Like right now.
buy the whole gang if you can. If you have money.
Not done yet.
Only 5 remain. You're close.
It's alright.
We lost that one, but we'll get a W next time.
squad.
Oh, these are a lot of